not noticed you there. I am Mayra, the bird spotter. I am trying to find a bird and its nest. Can you find it with me? Oh, there it is. What cute little birdies. Looks very unique to me. Have you ever wondered all about nests and birds? Well, today I will solve that. I'll tell you all about it. So let's begin. Have you ever wondered what is a nest? Well, I will tell you. A nest is a house of a bird made by them. The bird lays their eggs and incubates them until they have grown. Now, I'll tell you some types of nests and what is used to make a nest. Now, I'll tell you some things that birds use to make the nest. That is rotten vegetation, old pieces of rag, mud, sand, sticks, leaves, bark of a tree, rocks, and so many other things like hay. Here are some types of birds' nests. 1. The cavity nest. It is a hole made in the bark of a tree by some birds like kingfisher and woodpecker. The next type is the cup. It is made by grass and saliva. It is a very common nest and a deep one. It is made by a hummingbird and many more. The third one is the burrow. How you know about rabbit burrows? It's the same. It is made by a crab plover bird. It is made out of mud. Now I'll show you the nest I built and tell you how I did it. Now let me show you every aspect of it. This is the mama and the baby bird and the 2 eggs. You might be wondering what did I use to make it. I used air-dried clay and used toothpicks to put finer details, let it dry and painted it. Now the main part, the nest. I took some tin foil and made the shape of the nest. I took the broomstick's hair and using the help of tape and glue, I stuck it top and bottom. And voila! My nest. I hope you enjoyed with me today and learned something new. Well, I'm off to finding another bird. Bye. Perhaps a woodpecker. I wonder where it could be. And voila, my nest.